We are leaving Bursa with the direction Istanbul. We are leaving Bursa with the direction Istanbul. We're gonna use the express road because on the highway it's much faster but also very boring. Hopefully on this express road we'll have something to see. There are 100 kilometers more than on the highway. We have about 255. This is one of the biggest trucks I've seen. We are approaching Istanbul. We have 45 kilometers until we're gonna reach it, and already the traffic started to be a different total story. The traffic here, it's totally unpredictable. It's a mess in terms of drivers' behavior, because you cannot actually anticipate the driver's behavior. They can do anything, anytime, at any moment, and you really have to be prepared for that. We'll follow Kadıköy neighborhood. There is our hotel. There still are 18 kilometers. The hotel is in the Taksim area. There's one guy who sells water just over here. No, it's a chaos from all sides. Check out the size of this city. It's just impressive. This is the Atatürk bridge. People are fishing over there. I think there you can see the Galata Tower and a lot of people on top.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
After fuel challenges, we managed to park the motorcycle, find a hotel, and what we have in front is Taksim Square.
sound right, boys.
Imagine this is an ordinary weekday. It's Wednesday, nothing special, and the streets are full. What you see behind me, it's Saint Antoine Catholic Church. Not so many Christian churches, of course, here in Istanbul. We passed with a ferry to the Asian side. We go to eat something. It was a pleasant ride with a ferry. It's a rainy day, but at the same time we are very lucky to go very fast up in this tower. Otherwise will be a big line over here. Check out this view, man. It's actually impressive. Not recommended for the persons who have bad height problems. So what do you think about the view? It's definitely worth climbing up until 67 meters over Istanbul and have this amazing view from the top. Yeah, it's amazing. These are some amphoras, which are containers used for the transport and storage of various food products. Here you can discover a small city of Istanbul. These are some chains used at the entrance of the Golden Horn. This is an optical observation instrument. Despite the rainy weather, there will always be some fishermen over the Galata Bridge. We're in the famous bazaar. It's impressive over here, but I don't know, you need a lot of time to visit, real visit, and perhaps buying something.